Can you imagine a robot that not only moves like a human, but also works alongside you with precision and ease? Let me introduce you to the Pudu D9, the latest in robotic innovation, and it's going to blow your mind. The Pudu D9 isn't just a robot, it's a revolutionary piece of technology designed to tackle the real-world challenges of busy workplaces. Standing at 5.57 feet tall and weighing 65 kilograms, this humanoid robot is built to seamlessly integrate into environments like warehouses, retail spaces, and beyond. Its physical design and advanced features make it one of the most impressive robotic innovations to date. The D9's ability to move like a human sets it apart. It walks upright at speeds of up to 4.5 miles per hour, navigating stairs, slopes, and uneven surfaces effortlessly. This level of mobility isn't just impressive, it's practical. In environments where traditional robots might struggle, the D9 thrives, ensuring efficiency and reliability in bustling, unpredictable spaces. Its dexterity is equally groundbreaking. With two robotic arms offering 7 degrees of freedom each, it can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether lifting 20-kilogram loads or performing delicate operations like stocking shelves, the D9 proves that precision and strength can coexist. Its robotic hands, equipped with 11 degrees of freedom, mimic the capabilities of human hands, enabling the robot to grip, manipulate, and hold objects with incredible finesse. Pudu Robotics didn't stop at physical capabilities. The D9's AI-powered systems are just as advanced. Its real-time 3D mapping and visual semantic navigation allow it to understand its surroundings and operate autonomously. Whether it's navigating a cluttered warehouse or efficiently organizing inventory, the D9 requires minimal human supervision, freeing up valuable resources. The company's experience in robotics is evident in the D9. With over 880,000 units shipped globally, Pudu Robotics has established itself as a leader in the industry. While earlier models focused on simpler tasks like cleaning or food delivery, the D9 represents a leap forward. It's not just a robot, it's a partner in workspaces designed to adapt to complex tasks and interact naturally with humans. One of the standout features of the D9 is its stability. Its 42 degrees of freedom across various joints allow for fluid, natural movements. Even when pushed or knocked off balance, the D9 can recover seamlessly, ensuring uninterrupted operation. This capability, combined with its human-like walking and advanced sensing, makes it a highly versatile and reliable tool. The D9's ability to engage in natural interactions with humans is another area where it shines. Using a combination of visual, tactile, force, and auditory sensors, it collects and processes data to create meaningful interactions. Whether assisting a customer in a store or collaborating with colleagues in a warehouse, the D9 isn't just performing tasks, it's connecting with people. Its role in real-world applications extends far beyond warehouses. In a car dealership demo, the D9 showcased its ability to demonstrate a car's features to potential buyers. This isn't just about performing technical tasks. It's about stepping into roles that require cognitive and physical abilities. From guiding customers to performing inspections, the D9 opens up new possibilities for industries across the board. The D9's impact isn't limited to industrial settings. Imagine this robot in healthcare, assisting medical professionals with tasks like delivering supplies, guiding patients, or even performing basic caregiving duties. In education, it could serve as a teaching assistant, interacting with students and helping educators manage their workload. The potential applications are virtually limitless. Pudu Robotics has also prioritized long-term efficiency and adaptability. The D9 is powered by reinforcement learning algorithms, allowing it to adapt and improve over time. This means the robot doesn't just perform tasks, it learns from them, becoming more efficient and effective with each interaction. This adaptability makes it a valuable asset in dynamic environments. The D9's hardware isn't just about functionality, it's about durability. Its joints can generate a torque of up to 352 Newton meters, enabling it to handle physically demanding tasks. Whether it's moving heavy boxes or stabilizing itself in challenging conditions, the D9 is built to last, offering reliability in even the toughest environments. What makes the D9 truly remarkable is its ability to balance power and precision. It's not just a machine for heavy lifting. It's a robot that can handle fragile items with care. This dual capability opens up opportunities in industries like manufacturing, where precision and strength are equally important, or in retail, where delicate handling of products is essential. The D9's pricing is expected to compete with other advanced robots like Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's Go 1. While the exact cost hasn't been revealed, it's clear that Pudu Robotics is positioning the D9 as a high-value investment for businesses looking to enhance efficiency and adaptability. Unlike many prototypes, the D9 is ready for commercial use, making it a practical choice for companies today. Pudu Robotics' vision goes beyond individual products. The D9 is part of a larger strategy to create an ecosystem of robots tailored to specific industries. Whether it's specialized machines for targeted tasks, semi-humanoid robots for flexible roles, or fully humanoid models like the D9 for complex interactions, Pudu is building a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives. The company's focus on sustainability and scalability is evident in its business model. With a massive factory in Jiangsu, China, and $192 million raised through 8 funding rounds, Pudu Robotics is well-positioned to meet global demand. Backed by major investors, the company is scaling its operations to deliver innovative solutions at an unprecedented rate. The D9 isn't just a robot, it's a glimpse into the future of robotics. With unmatched mobility, precise manipulation, and the ability to interact naturally, it sets a new standard for what robots can achieve. Whether in warehouses, hospitals, schools, or hotels, the D9 represents a bold step toward a world where robots and humans work together seamlessly. The potential applications of the D9 are as exciting as the robot itself. As industries continue to embrace automation, the D9 stands out as a symbol of what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets thoughtful design. The question isn't whether robots like the D9 will change the world, it's how soon. So, what do you think? Is the Pudu D9 the future of robotics? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if this kind of innovation excites you, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.